Today we are going to read a play, and the play is called Melt the Snow, and it's by Marissa Montez, and it's illustrated by Brian Ajhar. Um, Over here we're going to talk about the genre. A play is a story that is acted out on a stage. Now, obviously, today we're not going to act this out on a stage. I'm just going to read it to you. In a play, actors pretend to be the characters. A written script tells the actors what to say and do. And I'll point that out as we're reading the different parts of the play today. So, elements of drama. The script for a play shows the dialogue. Remember dialogue from our root of the week? Or the words the characters say, right? That's the dialogue. The stage directions tell the actors how to speak, look, and act. So if you look right here, this is Hormiguita, which is a character in our play. And right here in parentheses, well, it's kind of brackets. It's not really parentheses. In the brackets, it says shaking with fear. So that's how Hormiguita should say their part is they're going to be shaking with fear while they say, how scary, but don't worry, Mammy, I'll be very careful. So they're shaking while they say it. And then again, it tells Hormiguita bundles up and steps outside. So you'll see that there's going to be stage directions also with dialogue. So just a quick picture walk. You can see right here is the characters. Hormiguita is a little ant. Mammy is Hormiguita's mother. And then there's some outdoor characters. Snow, sun, cloud, wind, wall, mouse, and a chorus. So it will be an interesting play. As we read, we will set a purpose. We're going to find out why Hormiguita's mother does not want her to play outside. You can see we have highlighted words. Those are the vocabulary words we're learning in class. Melting, trapped. We're going to make a prediction about what will happen to Hormiguita when she plays outside. And then you can see here some of the characters in the play. We'll make another prediction. And then it will end over here. So it's a little bit longer passage this time that we're going to read through. So stick with me and let's read Melt the Snow. So we're going to find out why Hormiguita's mother does not want her to play outside. Scene 1. So Hormiguita, this is the stage directions because it's in brackets. Hormiguita peers out a tiny window of her underground home and she sees the sun shining. So peers means to look. So she looks out a tiny window. And then Hormiguita pointing. Mammy, Mira, look, the sun is shining. Mira down here means look in Spanish. It's melting the snow. It's been such a long winter and I'm tired of staying indoors. May I go out and play? Here's stage directions. Mammy looks out the window. Outside, wind begins to blow and cloud appears in the sky or comes into the sky. Then Mammy says, but the wind is starting to blow and dark clouds are forming. The air is chilly. It may snow again. Hormiguita begging, please, Mammy, por favor, I won't stay long. So she's begging, she's asking again and again, right? Por favor means please in Spanish. Then Mammy sighing, muy bien, mi hija. That means very well, my daughter. But don't go far and be very careful. If snow falls, you may get trapped. Then what would you do? So here's Hormiguita shaking with fear. Oh, how scary! But don't worry, Mammy. I'll be very careful. Hormiguita bundles up and steps outside. So she puts on her warm clothes and goes outside. So we're going to make a prediction before I read. What will happen to Hormiguita when she plays outside? So think about that. You could pause the video and turn and talk to a partner about what do you think will happen when she plays outside. Okay, scene 2. Sun shines and Hormiguita skips happily in the forest. Suddenly, wind blows. Cloud drifts in front of the sun or moves slowly in front of sun. Snow falls. Hormiguita shivers and stops, so she shakes from the cold and stops. A big snowflake lands on her leg and traps her. She tugs at her leg or pulls at her leg. So nobody is saying any of that. That right there is all actions on the stage. So you kind of have to imagine it in your mind. Then down here, Hormiguita says, "Ay, ay, ay, Snow, I'm stuck." Like, oh no, I'm stuck. "Give me back my leg so I can go home." The chorus says, "Snow holds Hormiguita's leg and she wants to go home." Then Snow is a character in the story. So Snow says, "Lo siento, I cannot, but there is someone stronger than me." And lo siento means I'm sorry. Hormiguita tugging at her leg again. "Who is stronger than you, heavy Snow?" Then Snow, "The sun is stronger. It melts me into water." Hormiguita reaching toward the sun. "Sun, melt the snow, por favor." Then the chorus again. Here's the chorus. "Sun, please melt snow." Snow holds Hormiguita's leg and she wants to go home. Here's the sun. "I cannot, but there is someone stronger than me." Hormiguita, looking puzzled. "Who is stronger than you, bright sun?" Sun says, "It is a cloud. It covers my warm rays, my bright warm light." Oh, puzzled. That means confused if I didn't say that. So warm rays are warm light. Then Hormiguita looking up at Cloud, who is partly covering the sun. "Cloud, please uncover the sun," or move away from the sun. Then the chorus again, over here, the chorus. "Cloud, please uncover sun. Sun must melt snow. Snow holds Hormiguita's leg and she wants to go home." Here's the cloud, and the cloud says, "I am sorry, I cannot, but there is someone stronger than me." Hormiguita shivering. "Who is stronger than you, thick cloud?" or big cloud. Then Cloud says, "The wind is more powerful. It pushes me." Hormiguita flinging arms and begging, or throwing her arms and begging. "Wind, push the cloud away, por favor." Then the chorus again. "Wind, please push cloud, so cloud can uncover sun, so sun can melt snow. Snow holds Hormiguita's leg and she wants to go home." Now here's wind. "I am sorry, Hormiguita. I cannot help you, but there is someone stronger than me." Hormiguita rubbing arms to warm up. Who could be stronger than you, mighty wind?" or big strong wind. Wind says, "It is the wall. It holds me back," or "I cannot blow through it." Hormiguita hanging her head sadly and shaking it slowly, right? Holding her head down in a sad way. "Hi, ay, ay," turning to Wall. "Wall, do not hold back the wind, please." Here's the chorus. "Wall, please don't block wind," or hold back or stop the wind. "For wind must push cloud, so cloud can uncover sun, so sun can melt snow. Snow holds Hormiguita's leg and she wants to go home." Wall says, "I cannot, Hormiguita, but there is someone stronger than me." Hormiguita looking amazed or surprised. "Who could be stronger than you, hard Wall?" So make a prediction. Who do you think will be strong enough to save Hormiguita from her trap? All right, let's keep going. Wall says, "The mouse is stronger. He gnaws holes in me," or "he chews holes in me." Hormiguita looking around quickly and seeing Mouse near wall. Mouse, please gnaw at the wall so I can go home. At wall so I can go home. Here's the chorus. Mouse, please gnaw at wall, so wall will not block wind. For wind must push cloud, so cloud can uncover sun, so sun can melt snow. Snow holds Hormiguita's leg, and she wants to go home. Mouse scampers to Hormiguita, or runs over to Hormiguita. Mouse says, I will help you, of course. We tiny creatures, animals, must stick together. Help each other against those stronger than us. It will be a tasty treat. Muy sabrosa, showing teeth. Like, ooh, very tasty. Chorus. Mouse, gnaw at wall. Wall, stop blocking wind. Wind, push cloud. Cloud, uncover sun. Sun, melt the snow. Snow is holding Hormiguita's leg, and she wants to go home. Mouse gnaws at wall, and wall crumbles and stops blocking wind, right? Crumbles is breaks into pieces. Wind blows over wall and pushes cloud. Cloud glides away from sun. Sun melts snow. So glide means to move smoothly. Hormiguita shakes her leg loose. Then Hormiguita says, I'm free. I can go home. Hooks elbows with Mouse and dances, so they join arms. Gracias, amigo. Thank you, my friend, for saving me. That's what gracias, amigo means, is thank you, friend. You are the strongest one of all. Scene 3. Hormiguita bursts through the kitchen door of her home. Hormiguita says, Mammy, I'm back. Mammy running towards the door and scooping up Hormiguita in her arms or picking her up. You're just in time, mija. Hormiguita jumping excitedly. In time for what, Mammy? And Mammy says, I made a pot of hot chocolate, rich and sweet, or strong and sweet. Are you cold? And that is the end of our story.